Okay, so 1.35 833 it is trading at the moment. So right now I'm on the dollar CAD and I'm just looking at the chart right here. Very good looking chart, by the way. So let's see what I can find today. So I'm on the dollar CAD right now and I'm just looking at this chart, and this is so much important to me, obviously. I have to find out, let's suppose if I'm going to trade this impulsive wave and if I want to look for a sell on the dollar CAD, I have to study this whole leg, and this is the weekly time frame. So this is a sort of chart reading, you can say, and from scratch I'm doing all of the things. 23rd May 2021. The highest it hit right here on which date? On 9th October 2022. This whole range we had. And I will be writing on it as well, so that I then delete the levels. Let's make it a little bit less. So from this date till 9 October 2023. So date, month, year, okay. This impulsive wave. Now let's have a look at it and let's study. An initial wave, super nice, super perfect. And then a completion of that. Just have a look at it. And obviously we have got a breakout. See. Then obviously some smaller patterns right here, right here, right here. But at this stage, I am not going into the details of that. Why? Because I don't need to go into that at the moment. Now I have to look at it. This is the overall trend since then. Okay, since 23rd May 2023 I wrote 21 and the other one is 2. So from May 2021 till October 2022, it went very, very nicely up, broke this level, and became bullish. But for me personally, I at the moment, like, I just don't want to go into the much details of it. This is a weekly time frame, right? And when you will be doing it with the weekly time frame, try to identify a trading range for yourself that will be tradable. Like this much long term, I don't keep the trades. Just like 2 weeks, 1 week, maybe 4 5 days. Nice 600 pips worth of range it is. So usually I trade in a ranges of 1,000 pips in between, like sometimes 700, 600, and below 300 and below 4 350. I trade them as a day trader when I want to. So overall, CAD is looking very, very nicely bullish, and obviously it is stuck in a range. If I study this level in the past, I will remember same was the situation. Same was the situation right here. A market dropped very, very nicely, and it's just recent. This 2016 story it is, and a drop. See, so very nicely it worked right here till here, like. And how about this one? Left completely. Incomplete. And finally we got a break of structure, but a retest of the previous resistance. And this is the monthly chart at the moment. This is the support, this is a resistance. On monthly it is ranging. We have got a nice price action right here as well. And on the daily, if we see, then on the daily things are much different, I should say. It is both showing a downward move. Just have a look at this correction. And it is pointing down towards 1.31 area. So now I have to see if this monthly area it is showing me the monthly candle, like two bullish candles, and the next candle will be showing a complete drop till here. And on the weekly, so daily is currently showing me this, right? See, a double top up there, bottom right here, and it's trading in the middle. So this is showing me this, right? And we have one impulsive wave which is still active, this one. And it's pointing up towards 141.98. So a nice resistance right here as well. And if this break above happens or occurs, let's suppose anyone who took a sell trade right here and their target is the completion of this impulsive wave. So 554 pips of profit it will be. The stop in such situation will be, obviously stop should be right here, okay? 333 pips. But if let's say we get a close above this like this, it's fine to close the deal. But I will prefer once you trade, try not to move your stop loss or take profit unless it gives you enough clues and evidences. So this way it will be working very, very nice. Nice market right here. Nice, it is showing a sell sign. A possibility of 557 pips. Now I want to study this zone a little bit because here we have got a failure of the retest of the support. See, let's find out how it all occurred. Because obviously on these markets, first thing first, this was a lower time frame game, right? See, 61, that's fine. This breakout happened how? It took a reversal and there was a bearish ABCD pattern. Let me show you. A to B and B and C to D. And here the completion, a bit of false break below the market. Took a reversal once again. Took a Fibonacci. And at that time it also gave this move. So now things should be more clearing to you. Let's delete these boxes as well. Oops. Right? So this completion is right here and that completion is, this is way too up, okay? Way too much, far above. Maybe a very long term trade it can be. There. Let's delete this for now. Are you getting my point? It is very, very clear, my friends. And market re-entered into this zone. So any sell will have a stop above 136.97. Most probably above 1.38319 and a sell towards this place. Now there are two impulsive waves pointing down, remember. And let me show you that as well. We have got one failure of the Fibonacci right here. See, it went down. Otherwise, it would be pointing up as well. Like this. But since we have got a break below and a retest and a drop, so this is not valid. There is, okay, nothing else, nothing else, nothing else. two impulsive wave pointing down, one bigger impulsive wave pointing up. So a very good situation on the gold. Now let's move to the H4. On the H4 things are very simple. A simple, very simple story. Started with a double bottom and divergence. Till here and then there as well. Divergence, bottom, crashing top and a failure of the Fibonacci obviously. See, a failure. So if a failure occur, what we do is, we do the reverse thing and we say that okay, now the trend is changed. 61.8. Nice wave to the top. And just have a look at it. It exactly got completed at this level. If I consider this an impulsive wave, RSI oversold, RSI overbought, that's perfect. So on the H4, what I can get is, I can get and expect a drop till, and it can happen this like this week. Most probably today is Thursday, so today and tomorrow we have 2 days. So it can go for 1.3500 very nicely. Again, like this story started on double bottom with divergence, double top on divergence, it ended. A little story, okay? So since it is pointing down, I will obviously from here I'm not going to take a sell trade. Why? Because my stop will be 112 pips and the take profit will be 57 pips. So obviously on the H4 this is not a good place to look for sell opportunities. Why? Because I will have to set my stop loss too bigger, and I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is wait till 1.36201 for a sell today, right? So what the weekly is telling us and the daily is telling us is it is going down, right? Even these candles are red. On the H4, what it tells us that it's going up now. From here, the intraday or the day trading starts, okay? Till here, this sell belongs to the long-term trade, the weekly trade, I should say. That story finished right here. But I cannot delete the lines. Keep that in mind. So on the H4, it is showing bullish. On the H1, again, it is showing bullish. On the M30, showing bullish. M15 is bearish. So 1.36201 as an intraday can become a very nice zone. The day traders can make profit from it. The long-term traders can make profit from it. The scalpers can make profit from it. But like my friends, all of you know, confirmations, we will always need them. Like just tell me a trader who doesn't wait for a confirmation. That's a very big mistake. And this market is like seems very nice, okay, to most beginner traders. But before investing, try to make sure that when you are trading, you have to pay full attention to everything. Now, one thing I want to tell you is that the chart became so messy, right? Why? Because on one chart I analyzed the weekly and the daily and the H4. Because the ultimate way which I was going to find out was what is the next possible trading opportunity I have. So obviously this is the next opportunity I have, and this is what I will be trading on. My full focus will be on this correction. Further 66 pips it's suggesting to go up, but this H4 candle has like still 2 hours to close. So let's see if by then we have got this correction, then yes, easily we will be taking it. A very big range it will be, right? So this was the video. Make sure to leave a like and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.